so I have won this one. Okay, so my prediction was right that it's going to go up. Excuse me. All right, so that is how it is when you are trading on an uptrend. It's usually, when it traces to a support, and if the trend is strong, a strong trend, it will retrace to a support. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Online Money with Peter. Trust you are doing great. All right, so a very quick one. Let me show you how to make money online trading binary options. Now, if you are ready, let's dive in. All right, to get started in and making money with binary options, you need to get forex training. All right, so if you do not know how to trade forex, then you cannot know how to trade and be making consistent profit trading the binary options. All right, so after the training, then you need to select a currency to trade, whatever currency of your choice, whatever pair of your choice, you choose the one that you want. All right, then you have to select how much you want to invest on a trade. Like for me, I'm going to select 200 because that's what I want to use. I want to trade with. I want to invest $200. Then my profit at the end of the day will be 85% of $200, and that is $170. That's right. So I'm going to predict. If my prediction is right, then I'm going to win the trade. But if my prediction is wrong, then I'm going to lose the trade. I'm going to lose $200. So before placing the trade, you need to analyze the market very well. Based on your knowledge, then you place your trade based on your strategy. You're supposed to have a strategy, and you must trade according to your written strategy. All right. But for me, what I do, I take my trade from support and resistance zones or area. If it's trending up, actually, I'd like to take a buy trade. If it's trending down, I love to take sell trade, but still around support and resistance zone. Like what I have here is trending up, and it's going to be to my advantage if I place a buy trade at a support. Now there is a support here. Let me put my horizontal line at the support here. Okay, so it's 43. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will place a buy trade here at this point. Okay, so I place a buy trade here. Okay, believing that it's going to go up because it's on an uptrend. Right, you can see the trend is going up. So within 1 minute time period, I believe that the price is going to go up, and if my prediction is right, then I'm going to have a profit of $170 in my account, in addition to what I have. So we can see that it's actually still going up, but let's wait for the outcome. And I place this buy trade because it's on an uptrend, and usually when it's going up, it retraces back to support, and then it might start going up again from the support. But let's see the outcome of this trade. All right, there are a few seconds left, and let's see if I'm actually going to win this trade. Okay, so I actually have lost this trade. This is the first one. Actually, it was part of my strategy to place a trade. If it's an uptrend, I place a buy trade. If not downtrend, I place a sell trade. All right, so this I followed my strategy and I lost it. And of course, following your strategy doesn't mean that you win your trade consistently. Sometimes you're going to lose, sometimes you win. All right, so I'm going to look for another opportunity. It's still around the resistance support zone, and with the look of things, it's going to reverse. I think it will reverse this point again, right? Because this is support. So what I will do, we're going to be patient to place a buy trade. I'm waiting for this to get to let's see. Okay, so I place a buy trade now. Okay, because I believe it's going to go up. Now this zone, this is a support zone. All right, this is a support zone. Okay, so I believe it's going to reverse at this point. All right, so initially when I placed this trade, I was actually right, all right, that it's going to bounce from the support and move up. All right, so this one I believe that I'm going to make profit at the end of the day, because it's going to reverse at this support, which is what is happening right now. So let's wait for the outcome and see how it's going to be. All right, excuse me. So we have few seconds left. Okay, few seconds left. All right, so we can see that it's going up. Okay, so it's reversed from this support, and I think the reason why I lost the previous trade was because I was very fast to place the trade. That was why I lost the first one. All right, so I have won this one. Okay, so my prediction was right, that it's going to go up. Excuse me. All right, so that is how it is when you are trading on an uptrend. It's usually, when it traces to a support, and if the trend is strong, a strong trend, it will retrace to a support and then continue the trend. All right, so I've lost one and I've won one. So let me see, should I still continue to trade this JPY, Japanese currency index? Excuse me, because it's actually going up still. Let's wait. I think it's impulsive wave, it retraces to support and then it's going back up. I think it's going to continue to go up, but let me be patient a little bit before I place another trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think it's going to be ranging at this point before it will continue to go up. But let me look for another currency to trade. Okay, so it's on an uptrend at this point, and then it's either it's retracing to continue the trend, or you're having a reversal of trend. Okay, so my internet is fluctuating. Let me check JPY currency pair so you can see what's happening here. It's ranging around this point, around this zone, but it's going to go up. But let's see what happens here. Okay, it's getting a rejection from this point, so I think it's a buy trade. If it comes back to this support, I will place a buy trade. Okay, all right, so I've missed it, so I'll have to wait for another opportunity for it to get back to the support before placing another trade. So I'll be patient, a little bit of patience for this. Okay, this one is the same actually. Okay, all right, instead of wasting time here, I'll look for another one. Digital, let's see. Okay, all these are OTC markets, and I'm not interested in OTC market. Okay, I'll leave it. Then binary. Okay, it's only these two here. Okay, so I'm just going to be trading only these two. Okay, leave it. Okay, so it's strongly enough, so I'm going to stick to this. I'll place a buy trade when it gets down a little bit. All right, so that consider this trend is strong. The trend is strong, so I'll look for buy trade. Check out my support. This is support. Okay, let's see this one. Wow. Okay, let's see what will happen. It would be nice of me to wait for it to come back to the support before I place a buy trade. I will not place a sell trade here because it's actually going up, it's trending up, so I will only look for opportunities to buy and not to sell. This candle closes, then I'll know what to do. Now it closes, forms a gravestone doji. See, okay, getting a rejection here. Okay. Okay, I think it's going up. So I've missed it again, so I'll wait for another opportunity here. So I would place my horizontal line here. Okay, so when trading, it's not going to be in a rush or to chase after trade. And if you miss an opportunity, you wait for another opportunity. You always see several opportunities. All right, so this candlestick is coming down to this support zone. Of course, uptrend. It came back and reversed at this support. And what kind of, okay, I placed my trade. All right, so this is the support. So it came to the support and got a response from the buyers, and that is what you can see here. All right, so let's wait and see. If the buyers are strong at this point, they are going to push the price up. Now, this 1 minute candlestick that closed before this trade, the one that I took, is a candlestick, a strong area. But at this point is a support area, and hopefully, if the buyers are strong here, they will push the price up, which is what they are doing here. We can see they are pushing the price up. All right, so let's wait and see. I have a few seconds left. All right, of course, the reason why I place this trade here, because it is a support area. This is a zone. It had been reversing from here previously, so that was why I placed it. Okay, so I have this trade again. So I placed 3 trades, and I want to. Okay, let's wait and see. I've placed 3 trades already, so let me see look for another opportunity. Okay, so I have to close this one. All right, so the other ones are OTC, which I do not really trade OTC market. So let's see what happens here. I wait for it to retrace back to the support again, then I'll place a buy trade. It's coming down. Let's see. It's coming down. A little bit of rejection by the buyers. Down. If it gets down to this horizontal, this line, then I'll be comfortable to place the buy trade. But let me leave it. Let me not be too fast. Okay, so this USD currency. Okay, I place my horizontal line here again. Okay, and I'll duplicate it and place. Okay, there's one there already. Okay, so I'll have to delete this one. Okay, so because it's on an uptrend, I will not place a sell trade here, because it's likely to break out of this area that is ranging, just a little few minutes of range at this point. So I will actually wait for it to, if it breaks out of this zone, then I'll place a buy trade. If not, I wouldn't want to take a sell trade here, because it's at risk. Like it's often said that a trend is your friend, so always trade along with the trend. Okay, so this one actually reversed this point. Let's see. This thing is strongly going up. Right, it's strongly going up. Okay, so when it gets back here, I will place a buy trade. So one has to be patient at this point. So the trend is very, very strong. If I take a sell trade here, this USD currency index, I'll be taking a risk, which I wouldn't want to do. So I'll just have to wait for it to either break out or something. Okay, let's see what happens here. Place another horizontal line here. Okay, so it's breaking out of this area. This is a support, this is support, this resistance. Okay, it has broken out of this. Okay, the next candlestick, let's be sure of where it's going to close. If it closes above this resistance line, then there is a possibility that it's going to continue to go up. But if it closes inside this ranging zone, probably it's a false breakout, and it might continue its ranging pattern. But let's see what happens here. It's like the buyers are getting involved here, getting a rejection from the buyers. Let's see if it pushes it, the sellers pushes it down to this support, then I will place a buy trade. But let's see how it's going to close. Okay, so it closed inside. Okay, so let's wait and see. It's coming down to the support. Okay, so I'm not sure what will happen here, because it might come down here and reverse, or it might go up. But since I'm not certain here, I'll have to leave it, go and check the next pair. Now, okay, this has closed above this resistance, so you can see that it's going up. All right, so I've missed this opportunity, so I'm going to wait for it to come back before I place the buy trade. So I'll check the previous one. Okay, let's wait and see. Check this one. It's going up. Okay, so let's do it. It has closed, so this is a perfect place to. Okay, I'll check this one. Okay, so let's wait and see. So I placed only 3 trades now. Okay, so if it gets back to the support, then I will place a sell trade. I'm sorry, a buy trade. It is coming back in because it's reversed here, so it's likely to reverse at this point again. When I check the previous one. Okay, let's see what happened. I think it's the buyers are really getting involved here. Okay, let's see if it gets back again to this support. I'll place it. Okay, oh, so fast. All right, so I placed a buy trade at this point. You can see the rejection here. The buyers are actually pushing the price up here. They're getting involved. But let's see if the sellers or the buyers who have the day at the end of the day. So let's see what transpires. Okay, the sellers are actually pushing the price down. But let's see, they're strong enough. I'll check. Okay, so the buyers are still pushing the price up, because the strength of the buyers here is actually much. It's on an uptrend. Let's see and wait and see the outcome. Anything can happen here. All right, the buyers could have the day, the sellers could also have the day, but since it's on an uptrend and I took a trade, I think I'm at an advantage here. So you can see the buyers are really. Let's see. Let's wait. Okay. All right. So I've won this trade as well. Okay. So I flew along with the trend. I placed a buy trade at the support. It's also likely to reverse here, but I will have to wait. I will not be in a rush to take another trade. So I placed 4 trades now, and I lost 1. Okay. So let's see. I want to take one more trade. Oh, my internet is fluctuating, so let's see. Okay, so it's likely to go up again. So I think what's going to happen here, I'm going to call it a day. I took 4 trades and I lost 1 3 trades, so I'm in profit. All right, so this is how you can actually make money trading binary options. If what you're doing, if you pick your trades from support and resistance zone, you don't just pick your trades from support and resistance zone. You must know the price action, you must know the movement of these candlesticks. All right, because not every reversal is done at a support and resistance zone. You must know how to analyze the previous candlesticks down to the current candlesticks. You must know what had happened before, all right, before you can then place a trade. And of course, it's going to be according to your trading plan or your strategy. All right, so this candlestick is still going on, but I think I'm in profit right now, so I will not take any trade again. All right, so if you are interested in getting a forex trading, you can. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, become a member, and I'm going to give you membership. I'm going to give you members videos that I reserve for my members, and I'm going to teach you how to be making profit consistently trading the forex market, not trading the binary options. Please like, subscribe, share if you have already done so, and I'm going to see you next time. Thank you very much.